Hello and welcome back to Suman's Academy. In this video, we are going to learn how to add questions to any video and make it an active activity. So let's get started. Here you have to sign up for your Edpuzzle account. Now when you sign up for the first time, you have to decide whether you are going to sign up with a student account or a teacher account. I am going to sign up with I am a teacher. Once you have done that, you are navigating to a next page that sign up for your Edpuzzle. Now sign up with Edpuzzle or just fill out this information as a teacher and then sign it with Google. Once signed up and logged in to Edpuzzle platform, this will enable the page that you see first. Now we are going to be looking at some of the different features of this platform. But let us start with the main one, and that is creating a lesson content. So here, as you can see, I can click on add content. This will enable you to either you can create a video, upload a video, student project, a new folder. I'm going to upload a video, so I will click upload a video. Here you have to choose a file which you are going to upload. So let us choose a file and then I will choose the video and open. Now the video is uploading. We have to wait till the video gets uploaded. So the video has been uploaded. So on the right hand side, here you will see that I can click on edit. As soon as I click on edit, I can go into that video editor. Now I have an option of cut. So here we can cut to a certain point from where we want our students to watch this video. So I'm going to make a cut on this point. So I will click on add cut. And then you can select till where you need a cut. So I want till this section my student will see the video. So I will add a cut. So this is brilliant for when you are trying to really focus on a single element or a single section within a longer video. Now here at the top I have two options. One is for voiceover and the next one is question. If you want to add voiceover to this particular section, you can add a voiceover, but the main focus of this video is to add a question. So let us add a question to this video. Here you get three options for adding a question: multiple choice, open-ended, and adding a note. So let us start one by one for adding a question. Now where you want to add a question, you can add a question by selecting a particular timing of the video. So I need to add a question. Fine, I want to add here a multiple choice question. So I will click on multiple choice question and then you can add a question here. Here you get options. You can add options here. That is, I'm going to add true and the next option is false. If you want to add more choices, you can add here. Now you have to select the right answer. So I'm going to select the right answer and then save. So as you can see here, this point denotes that the student need to answer a question when they reach to this particular time. Now we are going to add another question, that is open-ended question. So let us start adding a next question, open-ended question. So I want to add a question here. So I will click on open-ended question and type my question. So I have added an open-ended question. Now I'm going to save this question. When the student reach or to this particular point, they need to answer to this question and then they can continue. And the last option that we are seeing is adding a note. So we can add a note over here where we want our student to get notified. So I am going to add a note. So I have added a note. Please make sure to take a note of this information and then I can save it. Here you can also add images or any external link if you want to dive your student to a next platform and then continue. Now once everything is set up, you have a nice overview here at the left hand side. You can see where you have added multiple choice question, open-ended question and note. And if you are happy with your video, you can go to finish. We are going to click on finish. So our video is ready. Here we can click on share preview and get a link to this video with questions. So we will copy the link and then we will open this link in a demo account. So here I'm going to open the link. So you can see the video has been opened. So let us go through it and answer those questions which I have mentioned in this video. So now when I come to that particular point, I get a question that is, a student can change his or her repayment plan annually. Is it true or false? I can either, what is my view after seeing this video, I can go through it. So I will select false and then submit. So this says that the answer is wrong and it gives us the right answer. We can either skip this or we can continue to the next section. So here we are with our next open-ended question. We can answer to this question or now here we are going to skip this question and then our video get continued. So here we get a note that please make sure you take a note of this information. We can continue. So this is how you can create your own video with questions in the video, or else you can upload a video from YouTube if you want. That's it for today. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon to get notified for my further videos. Till that, see you in my next video.